Hi everyone, welcome back to my Sibeliya Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay, and sorry if you watch my other videos. Same outfit, lipstick, but since I went and transferred all the image on my iMac, I noticed that I was missing some of the lipstick, so I just put another coat. So then it's all okay. And now let's continue with my haul. So this video here, I suggest you go and grab a coffee, something to eat, something to drink, because it's my haul from the L'Oreal VIP warehouse sale in Montreal. So I went there 3 times, so all this, it wasn't bought at one time. It was my 3 hauls that I made in month of April. So my VIP card allowed me to shop for $700, and I didn't spend that much, but maybe close to 500 maybe. But so yeah, so let's go ahead and start with the NYX product. And the NYX brush that I will show you, they are still in sale on their website, and I did look at them and try to see some reviews, and the reviews were okay, and people were happy about them. So I will try and tell you how I found them. And also I did grab the first 2 ones because of the glitter pink handle. This is why I grabbed them, and it had a little bag, but I don't care for the bag, but it was more of the handle being glittery, as you can see. So I got this one here. This one, it's the Essential Eye Brush Kit, this one here. So it was $24, retail $40. And this one, it's the Face Forward brush. This one here, it was $27 and it was retailing $45. And this one here, it didn't have that much of a discount, but it's the Holiday Eye Brush Kit. It's the Dark, Bold and Smoky Eye Brush Kit. So this one here. So this one, it was $21 instead of $35. And for the lip set here that they have, those set here, I grabbed the Soft Matte Lip Cream, the set number 8. This one here. I grabbed this one. This one, it's the set number 5, again from the Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one here. And those were $11. And this one, it's the matte lipstick set number 2. This one here. And the last one, since we saw this, it's raved on YouTube and everything, the Liquid Suede, it's the full size. This set here, it's the set number 3. So this one here, it was 15 bucks. I thought it was 11, maybe I didn't look right, so it was 15 bucks. I noticed it after in my receipt. And if we continue with the next product, I got these glitter primer. These one here, I think they were $5 or $6, I don't remember, each. And these one here, the glitters one, these one, I got the Glee number 12. It's like the emitted color, this one here. And then after that I got the Glee number 7. It's like the white one, white iridescent one. And I got the silver holographic. It's the Glee number 6. This one here. And the last one is just silver. It's the Glee number 1. So I got 4 of them. And then the last thing that I got, it's the Rouge matte color, and this is the number 18. This one here. And after that, I got some Maybelline Dream Smooth Mousse. This one here. I got the number 180 nude for both of them. And they had the L'Oreal True Match Lumi cushion, this one here. I got this one in number 4. It's the buff beige, this one here. And they had, I think the cushion one it's $3 and the Lumi ones maybe $6. They were under $6, let's say it this way. And these one, I remember they were $6 because they had no price and I had to ask the employee there. And these are the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator Prime and Highlight. So I got these one, and it's the warm undertone. I was like, why not? Let me just try it. And I got this Color Rich Plum My Night number 435 by L'Oreal Paris. This lipstick here, this one here, and let me just open it and look at this gorgeous color. It is awesome. So it was really gorgeous, so this is why I got this color. And if we go now, we can go to maybe essays, but these essays were from the previous haul, but I will show you to them because they are always like $2 in special. So these ones here, I will just show you the bag, like this one here. I don't want to get into details because this was from the November sale, not this 2017 spring sale. So this was from November, so I will just show you like that. Now, I told you in my previous Urban Decay Naked Palette haul that I did get some more Urban Decay products, and I'm going to start with this one here. This is the Revolution Lip Gloss Double Shot Travel Size Duo. This one here. And I paid $10 for it, so I have this one. And you will see in my MAC haul, I did get the MAC one also. So they had this one here. So this is the, but like I said, every time I went there, they had different ones. So this is why I was able to get all of this. So I have the D-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. I have the Chill Makeup Setting Spray, Cool and Hydrating, Oil Free. So I have these one here, these two here. And I have the travel size. The first time I went, they had this one here. So I have the all-nighter, this one. And the second time I went, they had the B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. So this one here. This one. And if we go to the palette, the best of the things, so I got this one here. So I have the Urban Decay XXX Vice Limited Reloaded. So this palette here, this one here, it was $45, so I got this one. And they had the Gwen Stephani palette, this one here. This one, it was $30, so I have this one. And the last time that I went, the last day, so they had some deals on the Lancome products, and there were most of them like 2 for 1. So I got this palette here. It is so gorgeous. It's Palette des Rêves, limited edition, nude and smoky eyes. This one here, it was $19, and it was 2 for price of 1. So I got myself 2 of them, but I gave one to my sister-in-law. So this is the colors. It is awesome. I swatched it and it was so pretty. And I mean, look at the packaging. The packaging, just the packaging alone, it is awesome. I think I dropped the brush on my coffee. No, almost, but not in my coffee. On my mug. So, I mean, the packaging alone, it is beautiful. So, and this one here, it's retailed in USA because I always look up if I had a good deal. And this one in the USA, it was sold for $50, and in Canada, it was sold at $75. And I got 2 of this for $19. So I mean, I told my sister-in-law, if you want it, you can grab it, or I will do a giveaway or something on my channel, and she did take it. And I wanted some Lancome foundation, but one of my followers on Instagram, she posted some Lancome. It's the Miracle airbrush thing, and I asked her, did they have like lots of colors? She was like, oh man, they had like lots of colors. When I went few days later, they didn't have the shade that I wanted, and I was like, okay, I will not buy. I missed my chance when I went there the first day. I should have get it then. But the last day, I don't know if they bring more of the colors. I don't know what happened. So I was able to get the Teint Visionnaire, and these were at 37 bucks. And normally they are sold in store $62.50. It's amazing saving, right? So this one here, and this one, it has the corrector, the skin corrector makeup duo, dark spot, pores, thin line, all skin type. So it has, and also the employee there told me, because I was grabbing the Miracle Air that was kind of matching me, and she was like, no, get this one here, because they were two different price, and like I said, the special were two for the price of one. So she told me, get two of the $37 ones. So I matched two colors, so one lighter and one darker, just a little bit darker, when I will get 10. So I will show you. It's, you have this here on top, and then this is the skin corrector, and you have your pump there. So I'm pretty happy with the deal that I got. Now I have two of the Lancome foundation that sells for $62.50, and I have two for $37. So this is how I shop. If I can find deals, then why not? So I got the two colors that I got. It's the 140 Ivoire and 220 Buff. This one here. And what did I get for the hair? The first day that I went, when I see the keratas, I hope that you say it this way. I was like, what, last year when I went, I didn't purchase, and I kind of missed my chance to get these product, and they sell out really quickly. People, first day it's sold out. So the first day I was telling my husband I could not miss them, so that kind of busted my budget there. So I got this one here, the Crystallist. It's a milk crystal. This one here, this one, and all the keratin product were between let's say $19 and $39. Yeah, $39 up to $40. So let's say $20 to $40 each. So this one, it's the Keratin Discipline one. This one here, it's I will just show you like this one here. And then this one, it was the expensive one. It was 39 bucks. So this is the Keratin Discipline Protocol Hair Discipline. It's the long-lasting discipline care. So I was like, why not? So I got this one here. And then I got also the Crystallist, the shampoo for long hair. So I got this one here. And the last no. So these were it for the keratas, and if you purchase for $30 and more of the keratas product, you were getting this set here, and it had 3 products in it. Let me show you the products. So it had these product here in it. So yeah, it was these. And I was able to make 2 different transactions. So I did make 2 different transactions. As always, I bring my husband with me. So he made one transaction, and I made one, so I was able to get two. So like I said, this is how I shop and try to get most of my money. I mean, it's hard earned money, so I will do everything that I can to get the more that I can for my money. And the other products that I got, it's L'Oreal Paris Hair Expertise Extra Oil. It's the Nourishing Mask Balm, this one here. So I got this one. And I have the L'Oreal Paris Hydro Total 5. I just want to try it. It's the scrub exfoliant, so it will cleanse, exfoliate, even skin tones, eliminate and smooth. So it's normal skin, but I'm kind of mixed skin, so I still want to try it. And I have this one here, the Garnier Skin Active Clean Plus. It's Invigorating Daily Scrub, and this again for normal skin, but I didn't care. I just want to try it. They were just $5 each. And I have another one from Garnier. It's on the bathroom. It's the charcoal cleaning stuff. So I have that one. And with all of my purchase, when you were purchasing the first time, when you were purchasing for $200 and more, even the second time, you were getting free products. So the first product that I got, it was La Roche-Posay. It's an Anti-Lius Brim. It's for sensitive skin. It has the 50 FPS, so this one here. And the second time I got the Biotherm Spray Solar Transparent Spray. It's 45 FPS, so this one here, this one. So this was pretty much it for my warehouse. I'm sorry, my leg just got numb. Oh my god. So this was my haul from the L'Oreal VIP warehouse sale, and this came 2 times a year, in spring and in fall, so I cannot wait for the fall to get maybe more products. And so yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video here, and see you on my next video. Bye.